Jim has a pet cat who is very naughty. Now, one day, Jim went out to play and his spectacles were kept on the table. Now, this cat is very naughty. So, the cat started jumping all over the room and by mistake, it broke the glasses. Now, when Jim came back, he was very angry because he couldn't find the other half of the spectacles. So he got angry with the cat and said, "Where is the other half of the glass, naughty cat?" Well, at that time, he noticed something. He saw his reflection in the mirror. And at the same time, he also saw reflection of the spectacles. It looked like the other half of the spectacles is inside the mirror, isn't it? Don't you think if you join these two parts, they will become one single spectacle? Well, he tried that. So, he tried joining them. And what did he see? Well, he saw that both of them together complete the spectacles. So, why was that possible? Because the other half of the spectacles was exactly a mirror image of this half, isn't it? So, is spectacles a very unique object? Well, yes, there are certain objects which show this particular property. That is, one half of them is exactly mirror image of another, and we call such objects as symmetric objects. So in the case of mirror, what do we see? Well, if I move this particular part and place a mirror here, then I will get exactly this image. And if I move this particular part and place a mirror here, then I will get exactly this particular image, because both of them are mirror images of each other. So along this particular line, we see that there are two equal halves of the object and both are mirror images of each other. And we call such objects symmetric objects. So, what are symmetric objects?
Okay. Now I want everyone to please note it down this.
Mom, it is not.
An object holds a property where if you divide the object into two parts, so one part is exactly the mirror image of another part, that property is known as symmetry, and those objects which hold those property, that is called symmetric objects. ठीक है, तो हमारे सराउंडिंग में बेटा दो प्रकार के ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं, दो टाइप के ऑब्जेक्ट होते हैं. एक होता है सिमेट्रिक ऑब्जेक्ट और दूसरे होते हैं नॉन सिमेट्रिक ऑब्जेक्ट्स. ठीक है, सो अगर आप अपने घर में ही चारों तरफ अगर आप गौर से देखेंगे, सो आपको बहुत सारे ऐसे ऑब्जेक्ट्स नजर आएंगे जो कि सिमेट्रिक होंगे. ठीक है, जिनका अगर आप उस पार्ट को अगर दो पार्ट में कन्वर्ट कर दो तो आपके जो एक पार्ट रहेगा वो दूसरे पार्ट का मिरर इमेज होगा. नाउ लेट्स कंटिन्यू द वीडियो नाउ.
When an object exhibits a property where two parts of the object are mirror images of each other, such an object is called a symmetric object. So in this case, we have this particular spectacle, which is a symmetric object, because one half of the spectacle is a mirror image of another. So what do we see? Well, one half mirror image of another. So both of these are mirror halves, isn't it? This is a mirror half and this is a mirror half. So this is a mirror half of this and this is a mirror half of this. So this is how symmetric objects are. In fact, we call this type of symmetry a special kind of symmetry called reflection symmetry, because in this case both the halves are mirror images of each other. That is, one half is a reflection of the other. That's why reflection symmetry. And this particular line which divides the object into two equal halves or two mirror halves is called the line of symmetry. So as you can see, once you draw this line, or if you break the spectacles along this line, then you will get two mirror halves. If you take one part and place in front of mirror, you will get the image of the other side. And so this particular line is the line of symmetry, because along this line it shows symmetry. That is, on this side you have a mirror image, and on this side too you have a mirror image. And that is why when we talk about reflection symmetry, it is also called line symmetry, because this line defines the reflection symmetry, isn't it? So it is reflection symmetry or line symmetry. Now, even these letters show symmetry. So can you tell me, are these symmetric letters? Well, if I draw a line like this, I get two mirror halves, isn't it? What about this? Well, even here, if I draw a line like this, so I get two mirror halves. What about this? Well, if I draw a line like this, I get two mirror halves. And here, again, if I draw a line like this, I get two mirror halves. So even these letters show reflection symmetry, isn't it? So along these lines, they show reflection symmetry. Now, you must have noticed that in the case of spectacles, the line of symmetry was vertical. But in the case of letter C, the line of symmetry was horizontal. So that's because the line of symmetry can be vertical or horizontal. So in this case, it's vertical line of symmetry, and in this case, it's horizontal line of symmetry. And we are surrounded by symmetrical objects. For example, this pair of scissors is symmetric. It's showing reflection symmetry. So along a particular line, it will exactly have two halves which are mirror images of each other. Even in the case of this leaf, there will be one line which can divide this into two halves which are mirror images of each other. So these lines are the lines of symmetry in this case. So we have horizontal line of symmetry here and vertical line of symmetry here. Now, this is Taj Mahal and this is a door. Now, are these symmetric objects? Well, they are. If I draw a line of symmetry like this, then it divides the Taj Mahal into two mirror halves. And even here, along this particular line, we have two mirror halves. So these are also showing reflection symmetry. So can you tell me, are these symmetric? What do you think? Well, the answer is yes. They are showing reflection symmetry. Well, along a particular line, that is, along a line somewhere here and here, they will show reflection symmetry. So this line and this line are lines of symmetry. So you see, if you draw this line, then it divides this butterfly into two halves which are mirror images of each other. And even here, this line divides this particular logo into two halves which are mirror images of each other, isn't it? Now, not all objects around us are symmetric. For example, this piece of rock and even our palm, they are not symmetric, because from whichever position we draw a line, we will never get two halves which are mirror images of each other. So even here, from whichever angle I draw a line, I will never get two halves which are mirror images of each other. So these are asymmetric objects. So there are some objects which are symmetric, that is, along one particular line, they will be divided into two halves which are mirror images of each other. And then there are many objects which are asymmetric, that is, there is no line which will divide them in such a way that two parts are mirror images of each other. Don't forget.
So a line through which any object shows the reflection symmetry is called line of symmetry. Second thing, the other name of line of symmetry is called axis of symmetry. Then other thing is the line of symmetry either can be vertical, it can be horizontal, or it can be diagonally also. It can be drawn diagonally also. Okay, depend on the object how you have got it. So as you all have seen in the video also, that we are surrounded by many kind of objects, okay, in our nearby, like it can be a shop, it can be our garden, it can be our living area. So there are multiple kind of object which you see here and there, on which you will find out there are two types of object. Either they will be symmetric or they will not be symmetric. Okay, so the object which are symmetric, they are called symmetric object, symmetric, symmetric object. And the object which are not showing the property of symmetry, they are called non-symmetric object, or you can call it asymmetry object. Okay, asymmetric, asymmetric or या तो non-symmetric, both are correct here. It is not necessary that the figure will have only one symmetry, that is vertical or horizontal. No, it can have both line of symmetry also. Like फिगर के पास हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री भी हो सकती है, वर्टिकल भी हो सकती है, और उसी समय डायगोनल भी हो सकती है. आई एम गिविंग यू अ परफेक्ट एग्जांपल, दैट इज चपाती. इफ योर मदर इज मेकिंग वेरी सर्कुलर चपाती, और या तो एकदम गोल चपाती अगर हम उसको बोलेंगे, सो आप जानते हो कि जब आप उस चपाती को बीच से फोल्ड करो तब भी वो गोल रहेगी, अगर आप उसको ऊपर से नीचे की तरफ फोल्ड करो तब भी वो गोल रहेगी, और अगर आप उसको टेढ़े तरीके से मतलब डायगोनली ड्रॉ फोल्ड करोगे तब भी वो सिमेट्रिक रहेगी. ठीक है, सो वैसे ही अगर हम सर्कल की बात करें तो सर्कल में तो बेटा वर्टिकल भी लाइन सिमेट्री होती है, हॉरिजॉन्टल भी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है, डायगोनली भी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री होती है. सो अगर फिगर के पास कोई भी इनमें से कोई भी लाइन ऑफ सिमेट्री है या तीनों की तीनों एक साथ हैं, तब भी हम उसको सिमेट्रिक ऑब्जेक्ट ही बोलेंगे. नाउ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ एक्सरसाइज 13.1 इज list any 4 symmetrical objects from your home or school. So the first one was told by any one of our student only, that is table. It can be a book. It can be our notebook also. It can be our bed where we are sleeping. It can have a mobile phone. It can be a coin. So these all the objects which I told, they all are symmetric. Now you can include some more object also from your surrounding if they are symmetric. Okay, so you can write any 4 objects, beta. Now second question says, for the given figure, which one is the mirror line? Line L1 or line L2? Now I want from everyone, please write it down, this answer on your chat box only. What do you think? The figure is divided into two lines, by 2 lines. One line is written name L1 and another name is L2. So आप मुझे देखकर बताइए कि इन दोनों में से कौन सी सिमेट्री लाइन है. वेरी गुड, आई हैव गॉट मेनी आंसर फ्रॉम यू इन द चैट बॉक्स. द करेक्ट आंसर इज L2 because L1 line is not dividing the figure into exact 2 part. दो एकदम इक्वल पार्ट्स में डिवाइड नहीं कर रहा है. सो दैट इज व्हाई L1 is not a line of symmetry, rather L2 is a line of symmetry. Now question number 3 says, identify the shapes given below and check whether they are symmetric or not. Draw the line of symmetry as well. अब इसमें क्या करना है आपको बेटा, पहले तो बताना है कि क्या ये सिमेट्रिक है कि नहीं है. If yes, you have to write down yes. And another one, those who are no, तो you will write it down no. सबसे पहला काम. Second काम कि those figures are symmetric, you have to make their line of symmetry as well. ठीक है, जैसे सबसे पहला वाला It is yes or no. Please type in the chat box. The first one is a symmetric object or not? Very good. The first one is a symmetric object and the line will be vertical. Very correct. Second one is also yes. In between you can draw a line that is should be the vertical line. Okay, exactly in middle the vertical line will come, that will be the line of symmetry. Now object number C, very good student. Object number C is not a symmetric object because anywhere the line you will make, it will not be divided into two mirror halves. So third object number third is not a symmetric object. Now option number D, yes. Option number D is yes, because if you will make a line vertically, this telephone will divide into two equal halves. Correct. Now option number E, yes, it is again a symmetric object because the line can be drawn horizontally in this question. ठीक है, जैसे ही आप horizontal line बनाओगे, this figure will divide into two mirror halves. Now question number F, yes, again it is a symmetric object and the line will be from exactly in middle, that will be the vertical line. Okay, so remember question number 3 is completed now. Now question number 4 is telling copy the following on a square paper, and a square paper is what you have used in your arithmetic notebook in earlier classes. Then complete them such that the noted line is the line of symmetry. Now you can see बेटा एक फिगर ड्रॉ किया हुआ है आपको अदर हाफ पे, और आप चेक करोगे बीच में एकदम सेंटर पे एक लाइन ड्रॉ की गई है. हर क्वेश्चन में एक लाइन दिख रही है. वो लाइन कहीं पर वर्टिकल बनी है, कहीं पर हॉरिजॉन्टल बनी है. आपको क्या करना है, आपने याद होगा इस वीडियो में देखा था कि जो पर्सन था उसका जो मिरर का ग्लास टूट गया था, तो उसने क्या किया था, वो इमेज के पास उसको लेकर गया था और उसने देखा था कि व्हाट इज द अदर पार्ट which is showing on the other side of mirror. ठीक है, अदर साइड ऑफ मिरर पे ऐसा कौन सी चीज है जो दिख रही है, बिल्कुल उस ऑब्जेक्ट का दूसरा वाला पार्ट दिख रहा था. सो आपको वही करना है, इस लाइन को समझना है कि ये एक मिरर है, आपको समझना है कि ये जो लाइन है वो एक मिरर है, और आपको दूसरे अपने पेंसिल की हेल्प से उसके दूसरे साइड पर सेम फिगर कॉपी कर देना है, बट इन द ऑपोजिट डायरेक्शन. ठीक है, by using the pencil only. So question number 5 is, in the figure L is the line of symmetry, complete the diagram to make it symmetric. इसमें भी बिल्कुल बेटा सेम काम करना है. आपके एक तरफ पे पोर्शन दिया हुआ है, आपको L लाइन को एज्यूम करना है, दिस इज अ मिरर लाइन, एंड यू हैव टू कॉपी द फिगर ऑन द अनदर डायरेक्शन ऑल्सो. आपको लाइन के इस तरफ भी फिगर को ड्रॉ कर देना है. दैट आई विल बी शोइंग इट टू यू इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास.